If you need to remove a payment method from your Outlook account, follow these simple steps to ensure your payment information is updated. Step 1. Sign into your account. Open your web browser and go to the Outlook website. Sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select View Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Payment and Billing. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Payments and Billing section. Click on it to view your payment methods and billing information. Step 4. Manage Payment Methods. Under the Payment Methods section, you will see a list of your saved payment methods. Locate the payment method you wish to remove and click on the option to manage or edit it. Step 5. Remove the payment method. Follow the prompts to remove the selected payment method. Confirm the action if prompted and ensure that the payment method has been successfully deleted from your account. After completing these steps, your payment method will be removed from Outlook. Make sure to check your account periodically to manage your payment information as needed.